Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Before I share with you guys what I got for myself on the recently past 11/11 sales, please let me know down in the comments below what did you get for yourself, or did you get anything. So yeah, so let's open up the box and see what is inside. Ta-da! So this is Sugess. All right. So if you know the brand name, or if you see the thumbnail, you will basically know what this watch is all about. I'm quite excited because I don't know, now the hype is for, before I say anything, let's open up. Yep. So now the hype is for Panda dial chronograph watch. So this, wow, it's a really handsome watch. Yes. And yeah, if you look at it, if you can see my older videos, this watch, I believe it has the same case dimensions and also the same movement as the Seagull 1963 mechanical chronograph. But this one, it comes with a more, I would say, slightly modern Panda black and white monochromatic dial. So I will try to peel off the stickers and we will take a closer look at the watch. Okay, so the watch is beating, and I think, let's see if it's moving. Yes, this small second hand is moving, and let's try to play around with the chronograph. Start, stop, reset. Wow, it works perfectly. Well, I really like this Panda monochromatic look, because I think recently Seiko also introduced their speed timer version of chronograph watch, but that one, the more expensive one, I believe it's an automatic mechanical watch. But I do think that they also offer a solar version, which I might get, but not necessarily buy, but I might go to my favorite watch shop if they have and take a look at that physical unit before I decide if it's gonna be too big or too small for me. But this one, I already know the size, because ta-da, I have the so-called Seagull 1963. So this version that I got is the 38mm version. It does come with the sapphire crystals. I think it's the same, I'm guessing. Yep, I would say they are the same design. So they have the same case, but maybe slightly different. If you look, if you can see, the lug here is kind of sharper, thinner, but this one is kind of stubbier. So yeah, I thought they are gonna be the same, but somehow they have a slight different. But I guess in terms of dimensions, they are more or less the same, and they share the same movement. Yeah, you cannot see the one inside here, but they share the same movement, and they have the so-called two, what they call the bi-compact chronograph layout on the dial. And I really like this Panda look, and I believe it does have anti-reflective coating, I'm guessing. So it comes with okay, I would say a decent leather strap that is that comes with quick release. Unlike the 1963, I believe it originally came with olive or green or army green or military green needle strap. But this one, it comes with, I would say, a decent leather for the price. Yeah, it's really plasticky. So yeah, I think it's a great watch. Well, I'm gonna peel off all the blue stickers here, but so far I am really liking the watch. Well, as usual, this is just a quick unboxing. I will be wearing this watch on and off for a month or two, or for a few weeks, and I will come back with a full review of this watch. And I might also do a comparison video between these two mechanical chronograph watch. I think this is really a value for money watch. I believe there are some YouTubers that did reviews for this watch, but not a lot. So I'm really liking this. Maybe I'll just do a quick read shot and we will end the video. Well, we have a skinny wrist situation here because the strap, I think the strap is slightly too long for my small 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters wrist. So I might be swapping out the strap for some other straps. I believe it comes with an 18 millimeters lug width, so I should not have any problem getting some, more shorter strap for my wrist. But all in all, I really like the look of this watch, and I believe it looks nice. But maybe the lug to lug might be a little pushing. Yep, it's long, but I think it's still marginally okay for my small wrist. Well, I really like this. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you're new to the channel, please help by subscribing to my channel. It really helps me a lot. And you can also follow me on my Instagram at gfw_watch for more watch pictures. Till then, I will catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye.